Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Dr. D.S. Veena, Associate Professor from the Department of Basic Science and Humanities, P.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Today my course name is Linear Algebra and Calculus and topic name is Equations Reducible to Exact Differential Equation. So we'll start the class. So last class we have studied exact differential equation. So when we say that mdx plus ndy is exact is nothing but it should satisfy the condition dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So if dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x, then the equation is not exact. So if it is not exact, you have to make the equation exact. So how to make it exact is nothing but a differential equation can be made exact by multiplying by a integrating factor to make it exact. Now today we'll be studying how to find integrating factor. So first method 1, if first method, if mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, be a homogeneous equation in x and y, then the integrating factor that is called if is equal to 1 by mx plus ny. So if the mdx plus ndy is equal to 0, be a homogeneous equation in x and y, then the integrating factor is equal to 1 by mx plus ny. So what is the meaning of homogeneous? Means each term should be of same degree in each in x and y. Okay, so let us take one example. X cube plus y cube dx minus x y square dy is equal to 0. Okay, so now first of all we have it is in the form of mdx plus ndy is equal to 0. Okay, so comparing we say what is m? M is equal to x cube plus y cube, and what is n? Is equal to minus x y square. Okay, now you should check whether it is exact. Differentiate m partially with respect to y. Dou m by dou y is equal to x is this is constant, so you get here 3y square. Differentiate n partially with respect to x. Dou n by dou x is equal to minus y square. Now check here. Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So the given differential equation is not exact. The given differential equation is not exact. So since it is not exact, we have to make it exact by multiplying by an integrating factor. So how to find the integrating factor? So first check whether each term is of same degree in x and y. So first term is of degree 3, second 3, and the last term is also 1 plus 2, 3. So each term is of degree 3. So this is homogeneous differential equation of degree 3. So when it is homogeneous differential equation, we know that the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny, integrating factor. So you know m and n, substitute here. So 1 by m is nothing but x cube plus y cube into x plus what is n is minus x y square into y. Now simplify this. So 1 by x to power of 4 plus x y cube minus x y cube. So these both get cancelled. So x and y cube get cancelled. So now what is the integrating factor? It is nothing but 1 by x to power of 4. So this 1 by x to power of 4 you should multiply to equation 1. So when we multiply it reduces to exact. So let us check now. So let multiplying equation 1 by integrating factor is equal to 1 by x to power of 4. Okay. Now what do you get here? X cube plus y cube into 1 by x to power of 4 minus 1 by x to power of 4 minus x y square dy is equal to 0. So multiply this within x cube by x to power of 4 plus y cube by x to power of 4 minus x y square by x to power of 4 dy, this is dx, dy is equal to 0. So what do you get here? If you cancellation, we get 1 by x plus y cube by x to power of 4 into dx minus y square. So what you get cancelled here? X y square by x cube dy is equal to 0. So what is that? So comparing with again this is m dash, it is of the form m dash dx plus n dash dy is equal to 0. So what is m dash here? We'll denote it by new variable m dash and n dash. M dash is 1 by x plus y cube by x to power of 4 and n dash is equal to minus y square by x to power of 3. So differentiate m dash partially with respect to y. And what do you get here? This is 0, 3y square by x to power of 4. Now differentiate n dash partially with respect to x. So what do you get? If you differentiate partially with respect, you get 3y square by x to power of 4. Now check that dou m dash by dou y is equal to dou n dash by dou x. So this equation is reduced to exact differential equation. Why? Because we have multiplied it by integrating factor. Here dou m dash by dou y is equal to dou n dash by dou x. So the equation is reduced to exact differential equation. So what is the solution? You know the solution formula. Solution integration m dash. You should take m dash, the reduced form you should take m dash dx keeping y constant plus integration terms of n dash not containing x into dy is equal to c. So write it. What is m dash? You know that it is 1 by x plus y cube by x to power of 4 into dx keeping y as constant plus what are the terms of n dash not containing x? N dash term contains x. So no terms are there without x. So you should take it as 0. dy is equal to c. So what is now? You should integrate this with respect to x keeping y as constant. So what is integration? Log x plus y cube is constant. So log x plus y cube x to power of minus 3 by minus 3 integration. This is the constant. So constant and constant will be nothing but constant c. So now, so what is the integration here? Log x plus y cube x to power minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to c. So get log x minus y cube by 3x cube is equal to c. So if you want to remove this fraction 3, so multiplying by 3 throughout, 3 log x minus y cube by x cube is equal to 3c. So you can write it as 3c can be replaced by one more arbitrary constant, 3 log x minus y cube by x cube is equal to capital C. So this is the answer. So this is how we find the integrating factor with the differential equation is a homogeneous type. So we'll go to next method. Method 2. Okay. The method 2, if m dx plus n dy is equal to 0 is of the form f is of the form f1 xy is of the form f1 xy y dx plus f2 xy x dy is equal to 0. So what is here? If the function is x into y together and y dx plus one more function of x into y, x dy is equal to 0. If the equation is in this form, then the integrating factor is equal to 1 by m x minus n y. Provided here, mx minus ny not equal to 0. So let us solve the problem. Take a problem. Solve x square y cube minus y dx plus x cube y square plus x dy is equal to 0. So now here, first of all, we should check whether it is exact or no. So it is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So comparing what is m? M is equal to x square y cube minus y and n is x cube y square plus x. So differentiate m partially with respect to y. Dou m by dou y is equal to 3 x square y square minus 1. So differentiate n partially with respect to x, 3 x square y square plus 1. So now dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. Dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. So the given differential equation is not exact. So if it's not exact, we have to make it exact by multiplying by integrating factor. So now check it here. So in the equation 1, let us take this equation 1, we can take y common such that we can write it as x square y square minus 1 y dx plus, if you take x common, x square y square plus 1 dx, x we are taking common, x dy is equal to 0. X square y square minus 1 y dx plus x square y square plus 1 x dy is equal to 0. Now look at this function. This term is function of xy and 1 can be written as x to power 0 into y to power 0. It is function of x into y. And second terms here and y dx. Second term is x into y whole square and 1 can be written as x into y whole to the power 0. So this is function of x into y, and x dy is equal to 0. So it is of the form, it is of the form f1, it is of the form f1 xy y dx plus f2 xy x dy is equal to 0. So here integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So what is we can find the integrating factor, substitute m and n. 1 by, what is m? X square y cube minus y into x minus x cube y square plus x into y. Okay, so what do you get? 1 by x cube y cube minus xy minus x cube y cube minus xy. So here x cube y cube and x cube y cube get cancelled. So you can take it as integrating factor as minus 1 by 2xy. So this integrating factor you should multiply to equation 1. So what do you get here? Minus 1 by 2xy into x square y cube minus y dx minus 1 by 2xy into x cube y square plus x dy is equal to 0. So multiply this within, what do you get? Minus x y square by 2. 1 x get cancelled, 1 y get cancelled, minus x y square by 2. To multiply this within, plus 1 by 2x dx plus multiply this minus 1 by 2x within, multiply this minus 1 by 2x within. So what do you get? X square minus x square y by 2 minus 1 by 2y dy is equal to 0. So now this is of the form m dash dx plus n dash dy is equal to 0. Now what is m dash? Minus x y square by 2 plus 1 by 2x, and n dash is minus x square y by 2 minus 1 by 2y. Now differentiate. Now let us check whether it is reduced to exact. Dou m dash by dou y. Differentiate m dash partially with respect to y. So what do you get here? Minus 2xy by 2. So these two get cancelled. Now differentiate this n dash partially with respect to x. So what do you get? Minus 2xy by 2. So 2 get cancelled. So dou m dash by dou y and dou n dash by dou x is equal. So dou m dash by dou y is equal to dou n dash by dou x. So now it is reduced to exact differential equation. The equation is reduced to exact differential equation. So once it is reduced to exact differential equation, you know the solution. Solution: integrating m dash dx y constant plus terms of n dash not containing x dy is equal to c. So integrating m dash. What is m dash? Minus x y square by 2 plus 1 by 2x dx, keeping y constant, plus What are the terms of n dash not containing x is nothing but minus 1 by 2y dy is equal to c. So now integrate this with respect to x, keeping y as constant. So what is the integration? Minus y square by 2 is constant here. Integration of x is nothing but x square by 2 plus 1 by 2. Integration of 1 by x is nothing but log x minus 1 by 2. Now you are integrating with respect to y. 1 by integration is nothing but log y is equal to c. Now multiplying throughout by 4. So what do you get here? Minus x square y square plus 2 log x minus 2 log y is equal to 4c. So what do you get? So if you get minus x square y square plus 2 log x minus 2 log y is equal to, you can take one more constant as k. So this is the answer. So students, you understood this concept, I think so. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.